Welcome. If you've ever lost a potential customer simply because you missed a call or forgot to follow up, then you'll want to hear this. Today, we're presenting a review of Callsi AI, an all-in-one communication assistant designed to make sure no lead ever slips through the cracks again. It's not just another app. It's like having a smart, tireless team member who talks to customers for you, follows up, and even books meetings, all automatically. Sounds futuristic? Let's explore how it really works. So what is Callsi AI exactly? Imagine an AI system that can answer calls, send texts, qualify leads, and schedule appointments without needing you to lift a finger. That's what it promises. It's built for business owners, marketers, and agencies who are tired of juggling customer interactions manually. Whether you run a small business or a growing agency, Callsi AI takes over the repetitive tasks that eat up your day and replaces them with smooth, automated communication. Now, if you're wondering what's inside this system, it's surprisingly complete. Once you sign up, you'll find a clean dashboard that lets you manage calls, messages, and workflows from one place. You can integrate your CRM, customize how the AI responds, and even choose the tone and personality of the voice. Yes, it literally feels like training your own assistant, one that never sleeps, forgets, or complains. And how does it work behind the scenes? It's simple. You set up your preferences, like when the AI should answer, what kind of responses to give, or what to do with a new lead, and from that point on, it runs the show. It can answer incoming calls instantly, send follow-up texts, and even remind leads about appointments. To see it in action, click the official website link in the description and watch how this AI handles entire client interactions effortlessly. Now let's talk about the part that most people care about: pricing. Callsi AI offers two plans: Elite Level Monthly at $17 and Elite Level Yearly at $67. That's an incredibly low cost for a system that handles customer communication automatically. But keep in mind, prices will keep increasing as the launch continues, and once it ends, the bonuses and coupons will disappear. If you're planning to grab it, this is the time to do it before it doubles in price. And yes, there's a refund policy too, so you can try it with zero risk. If you feel it doesn't fit your workflow or meet your expectations, you can get your money back, no questions asked. Plus, their support team is always available to guide you, whether you're setting up for the first time or just exploring its more advanced features. Now, let's be honest. What makes Callsi AI stand out isn't just automation, it's how human it sounds. It doesn't come across like a robotic voice reading a script. It's designed to talk naturally, understand intent, and respond in a way that feels genuine. That's a big deal because your customers feel like they're talking to a real person, which builds trust and engagement automatically. So, is Callsi AI worth it? If your business depends on leads, calls, and follow-ups, yes, absolutely. It's one of those tools that pays itself by simply doing the work you don't have time for. It's affordable, smart, and built to make sure you never miss another opportunity again. To wrap it up, Callsi AI is a practical solution that merges automation with authentic human-like communication. For entrepreneurs, agencies, and small business owners who want to grow without being chained to their phones, this could be the missing piece. Check the official link in the description for the latest price, use the discount coupon before it expires, and see how this AI can transform the way your business communicates. With Callsi AI, your next customer interaction could be happening even while you sleep.